Okay, good morning students. Yesterday class we completed functions, definitions and that related problems. Today we discuss about second year concept, that is types of functions. Today we discuss about types of functions. Okay, in that first one function. Okay, so we know that one function means a function f from x tends to y is defined to be one or injective if the image of distinct elements of x under f are distinct, that is for all x1 comma x2 belongs to x, f of x1 equal to f of x2 implies x1 is equal to x2. So means if you take two functions f of x1 equal to f of x2, if you consider, if you simplify, then we get the value x1 equal to x2. Then it is called what? One function, or another name is what is there? Injective function. Okay, it is also called one or injective, and for all x1 and x2 belong to which they give, that should be belongs to x1. Okay, so in short form you can tell that the different element have different images. Different element have different images. Here, this one, what is here? 1 is related to A, 2 is related to B, 3 is related to D, 4 is related to C. Here different element have different images. Different element have different images. But here different element have same images is there. That time it is not a one function. Okay, so the different element have different images. That time it is called what? One functions. Right? Understood? So once again I will repeat, one function means different element have different images. Means one element should be related to only one image only. Okay? So next, another one, onto function. So what do you mean onto function? A function f from x tends to y is said to be onto function or surjective. Onto or surjective if every element of y is the image of some element of x under f, that is for all y belongs to capital Y, there exists an element x in y, that is f of x equal to y. So if f of x equal to y, if you simplify this one, we get y f inverse value. If you find out here, that value should be belongs to in given condition, then only it is onto. Okay, so here onto function means this one is called onto function. This is not. See here different element, same images is there. Different element, different images is there. Both are is there. Different element, different images. Different element, same images. It is possible, and in set B there is no element should be left. There is no element should be left. Then only it is onto function. See here element should be left is there. Then that's why it is not a onto functions, right? So once again I will repeat, one function means the different element have different images, and onto function means if you take consider f of x equal to y, then find out the f inverse of x, then we get the answer. The answer should be belongs to given condition, that should be y. Okay, right? Next, another one, bijective function. So bijective function means a function f from x tends to y is said to be one and onto or bijective if f is both one and onto. Those function both one and onto, then it is called what? Bijective function. Okay, see here, this one fourth function is one and onto, both is there. See here, one function is related to one image, 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 and onto one function is related to one image, and if possible both two images also or three images also, but it is related to B set and there is no left element here, and there is no element left here, then it is onto also. Hence it is a bijective functions. Okay, is it clear? So these three are very important. First of all, one function means what? Different element having different images, and if you consider f of x1 is equal to f of x2, then if you simplify x1 equal to x2, then it is called what? 1 1 function. And onto function, if you take f of x equal to y, if you find out f inverse of x, then the value should be belongs to given condition, that is y, right? Given condition. So third one, bisective function. Bisective function means the function whose both 1 1 and onto. Okay, is it clear? Right. So next we go for some problems. Show that the function f from n tends to n given by f of x is equal to 2x is 1 1 but not onto is given. First you have to write given condition. What is the given? F from n tends to n. This is very important condition. So see here, n tends to n. Sometimes they will give here real number also. Next, f of x is equal to what? 2x. Okay. Now you can prove that it is 1 1 but not onto. So first consider, if you find out the 1 1, first consider, take condition f of x1 is equal to f of x2. Okay. When you find out the 1 1 condition, first you have to take f of x1 is equal to f of x2. What is your f of x1? So f of x equal to 2x, then f of x1 is 2x1, f of x2 is 2x2. If these two are cancelled, x1 is equal to x2. For all x1 comma x2 belongs to what? Natural number. Therefore, it is 1 1. Okay. So in definition is there, when you consider f of x1 equal to f of x2, if we simplify, we get x1 equal to x, then it is a 1 1 function. Similarly, take next onto, let f of x equal to y. So x is equal to what? F inverse of y. Yes, x is equal to f inverse of y. Now what is the f of x value? 2x is equal to y. X is equal to what? Y by 2. This implies x means what? F inverse of y is equal to y by 2. Now check it is onto or not. If you put 1 in place of y1, we get 1 by 2. But 1 by 2 is not belongs to natural number. So that's why it is not a onto function. Once again I will repeat. If you put y equal to 1, we get 1 by 2. If you put 2, 2 by 2. 2 by 2 means it should be 1. 1 is a natural number. If you put 3, again it is not onto. If you put 4, it is belongs to natural number. So, if here what is the given natural number? In natural number, if any one value not belongs to natural number, then it is not a onto. Understood? Therefore, it is not onto function. Hence, given function is 1 1 but not onto. Okay, so we go for another problem. Show that the function f from r tends to r given by f of x equal to 2x is 1 1 and onto. Okay, so first of all you take given condition f from r tends to r, then f of x is equal to what? 2x is given. Yes. So first consider f of x1 is equal to f of x2. First consider f of x1 is equal to f of x2. f of x1 means 2x1. f of x2 means 2x2. 2 get cancelled. x1 is equal to x2. For all x1 comma x2 belongs to what? Real number is given here. Right? So next similarly take let f of it is 1 1 function. First you have to write, therefore it is 1 function. Okay, if you consider f of x1 equal to f of x2, then if you simplify x1 is equal to x2, then it is a 1 function. Next we go for on to let f of x equal to y. So x is equal to what? F inverse of y. First condition. So what is the f of x value here? 2x equal to y. X is equal to what? Y by 2. But x means what? F inverse of y equal to y by 2. Now check it. The value putting here, if you get the real number, then it is a onto function. See here, first if you put in place of y 1, what is their answer? 1 by 2. So is it 1 by 2 is belongs to real number? Yes. If you take 2, 2 by 2, we get 1. Again it is belongs to real number. If you are rational, irrational, natural number, whole number, whatever it may be, you take this one, we get the again belongs to what? Real number only. So that's why it is onto function. Hence f is 1 and onto. Okay, so we go for another problem. Show that the function f from r tends to r defined as f of x equal to x square is neither 1 nor onto. So first you have to write given value. What is the given? F from r tends to r is given. Next, f of x is equal to what is the given? X square is given. Then you have to prove that is neither 1 nor onto. First of all, we consider f of x1 is equal to f of x2 condition. So what is the f of x1? x1 square, and f of x2 is x2 square. Okay, be careful here. When you remove square, here it will become plus or minus x2, because here x1 and x2 belongs to what? Real number. So real number means we get here positive and negative both value. Okay, positive and negative both value. So but if you when you get x1 is equal to plus or minus x2, then it is not onto function. It is not 1 function. Okay, because different element, different images. By definition of 1 different element, different images. But here different images but same element is there. Different images, same element is there. So that's why it is not 1. Another one, you have to remember always, when you get x1 is equal to plus or minus x2, then it is not conformably 1 function. Okay, so next we go for onto let f of x is equal to y. So x is equal to what? F inverse of y. Okay, what about here f of x value? X square is equal to y, and x is equal to what? Root y. So here take you may plus or minus, but x means what? F inverse of y is equal to plus or minus root y. Is it belongs to real number? Just you have to check it. Root 1 value 1, root 2 value 2. It is also belongs to root 2 means irrational number. Root 3 value, root 4, root 1 by 2, root 1 by 5. You take positive all values, it belongs to real number only. But when you come negative value, for example root of minus 2, is it irrational number? No, it is not an irrational number, it is an imaginary number. But imaginary number is not belongs to real number. So that's why it is not onto function. Hence f is neither 1 nor onto. Okay, so we go for another problem. show that the function f from n tends to n defined as f of x equal to x square is 1 1 but not onto. So first you have to write given condition. What is the given? F from n tends to n is given and f of x is equal to what? X square is given, right? F of x equal to x square is given. First you have to consider f of x1 is equal to f of x2. Okay, so f of x1 is x1 square, f of x2 is x2 square. So here when you remove square, x1 is equal to x2 only, because here what is the given? Natural number is given. Here there is no negative value, so that's why you are take only positive. But previous problem both are is there, positive and negative. So that's why there you can take plus or minus when it is possible, only when square is there. Okay, square. Okay, for all x1 comma x2 belongs to what? Natural number, right? Therefore it is 1 1, right? Next, let f of x equal to y implies x is equal to what? F inverse of y. What is the f of x value? X square is equal to y, but x is equal to root y. X means what? F inverse of y is equal to root y. Is it belongs to natural number? No, because root of 1 is 1, but when it comes to root 2, but does not belongs to natural number. So therefore it is not onto. Hence f is 1 1 but not onto. Okay. Okay, so we go for another problem. So now here check the injectivity and surjectivity of the function. We know that injectivity means 1 1 and surjectivity means onto. So first, what is the given here? F from z tends to z given by f of x is equal to what? X square is given, right? Now consider f of x1 is equal to f of x2. F of x1 is equal to f of x2. F of x square means we get here x1 square, x2 means x2 square, right? But square is there. When square is there, you have to see once what they given conditions. Here what is the given? Integer is given. Integer means both positive and negative value is there. So therefore x1 is equal to what? Plus or minus x2. For all x1 comma x2 belongs to what? Integer. So therefore it is not 1 1 function. Okay. So next we go for onto let f of x equal to y implies x is equal to what? F inverse of y. F of x is equal to x square y and x is equal to what? Plus or minus under root of y. Okay. Okay, so here we get f inverse of y equal to plus or minus root y, but it is not belongs to integer, because we know that if you take in place of y 2, we get root 2. Root 2 is not a integer, so therefore it is not onto. Hence f is neither 1 1 nor on. Okay. Okay, so we go for another problem. So first you have to write given condition. What is the given condition? F from n tends to n and f of x is equal to what is the given? X cube is given. Okay. So first you have to consider f of x1 is equal to f of x2. F of x1 means it should be x1 cube, x2 means is also x2 cube. Now here you can check it, what is the given natural number to natural number, means only positive value. So means if you remove the cube root, we get x1 is equal to x2 for all x1 comma x2 belongs to what? Natural number. Therefore it is injective. Therefore it is injective function. Next take, let f of x is equal to what? X is equal to what? F inverse of y. So f of x means what is the given? X cube is given. So y x is equal to cube root of y. So but here x means what? F inverse of y equal to cube root of y. Is it belongs to natural number? No, because when it comes to 2 cube root of 2 is there is no they will come in point, so that's why it is not belongs to natural number. Therefore it is not surjective. Okay. Okay, so this problem you can try in home. See what is the given, f from z tends to z given by f of x equal to x cube is given. So here as usual method, first consider f of x1 equal to x2, x1 cube equal to x2 cube, but when you remove cube here it will not come plus or minus, directly you can take x1 is equal to x2. Okay. Okay, next problem, this is very important. The greatest integer function f from r tends to r given by f of x is equal to step of x is neither 1 1 nor on 2. Before starting this problem, first we have to discuss what do you mean by greatest integer function. Very simple. So if you take 0.1 value, what is the answer? 0. 1.1 1 minus 2.3 minus 2. So means before point value what is there, you can take that one, but whatever it may be, minus 2.3 is there, then we get minus 2. Now you can solve the problem. Given condition, what is the given? F from r tends to r and f of x is equal to step of x. Here you can take value substitution, means then only you clearly understand. So I will take 1.1 value. What is the 1.1 value? Again we get 1 only. If you take 1.7 value, 1.7 means again we get 1 only. So here different element but same images. Different element but it should be same images. Therefore it is not 1. Okay. So next second, let f of x is equal to what? Step of, f of x equal to what? Y, but y is equal to step of x, right? Here you can observe that if you put 1.5 value, again we get 1. If you put negative value, again we get positive. See here, if y is equal to 1.1, what is their value? 1. If you put minus 2.1, again we get minus 2. So here it will come here only positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. And the positive value, negative value. So means integer will come. But what is the given condition? R is given, real number, right? Real number is given. In real number, we know that natural number is there, whole number is there, integer is there, rational, irrational number is there, right? But when you get the answer, only we get integer only, remaining not their value. So that's why at least the rational and irrational number are left. By definition of onto, there is no element should be left. But here, rational and irrational number should be left. So therefore it is not onto function. You have to write in writing here y equal to step of x Here y equal to step of x, we get the answer, in integers, but they given f from r tends to r. Hence here some numbers are left. Therefore, it is not onto. Therefore, f is neither 1 1 nor onto. Last one sentence you have to add. Okay, we go for another one problem. Show that the modulus function f from r tends to r given by f of x equal to modulus of x is neither 1 1 nor onto. So first you have to write given condition. What is the given? F from r tends to r is given. F of x is equal to what? Modulus of x. Here also you can take two values, that is, if you take 2, we get 2 only. If you take minus 2, we get again plus 2 only. So means same images. Right? So therefore, it is not 1 1. Okay. Next we go for onto. Let f of x equal to y. So y equal to what? Modulus of x. So we know that if you put value, negative value, we get positive. If you put positive value, again we get positive only. So means the answer should be always in positive value. There is no negative value. So means in onto set, the negative value is always left as it is. Therefore, it is not onto. Here we get answer in positive, and negative value is left as it is. Hence f is not onto. Okay, we go for another problem. So here what is the given? Show that the signum function f from capital R tends to R given by f of x is equal to 1 0 minus 1 if x greater than 0, x equal to 0, x less than 0, neither 1 1 nor onto. Okay. So first you have to write given f from R tends to R and f of x is equal to what? 1 0 minus 1 if x greater than 0, if x equal to 0, if x less than 0. So first you have to check it 1 1 and onto. So we know that f of one value means it is greater than 0. Greater than 0 means 1 only. But when it will come to greater than 0 only, again answer is 1 only. Similarly, if f of 0 equal to 0, but when it come minus 1 less than 1, minus 1. If f of minus 2 again minus 1. So means here same images. So therefore it is not 1 1. Similarly, onto let f of x equal to y. So y equal to given function f of x. Here the related the related value is 1 0 minus 1. So and remaining element is left. So the hence it is not onto. Therefore F is neither 1 1 nor onto. Okay. Okay, we go for another problem, 9th one. Here what is the given? A equal to set of 1 2 3, B equal to set of 4 5 6 7, and F is given. F is equal to what is the given? 1 comma 4, 2 comma 5, 3 comma 6. Here you can observe 1 is related to 4, 2 is related to 5, 3 is related to 6. Different element, different image. Different element, different image. Different element, different image. There is no element is repeated here. Here different element have different element have different images. So therefore F is 1. Okay, so these two problems you can try in home, right? Today we discuss about the functions, types of functions. What is the types of functions? 1 1 and onto and bisective. We know that 1 1 function means different element having different images. Or if you consider f of x1 is equal to f of x2, then if we simplify, we get x1 is equal to x2. Next, onto means you have to take conditions, let f of x is equal to y, and if you find out the f inverse of y, then we get the answer. The answer should be belongs to in given condition, then only it is onto. If anyone is not related to that given condition, then it is not onto. And another one, by definition, no one element should be left on the second set, in related set, that is y set. So next, bisective function. Bisective function means the function whose both 1 1 and onto, right? And we discussed some related problems. Again we go for a next, another one concept is there, composition of a function. We will discuss on tomorrow.